Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to show you how to make this DIY essential oil foot soak. This is great after a long day of work or a long hike. And today I have Sannae co-hosting with me.
Hello, I'm Dame Sannae of Dame Body Butters and Scrubs, an all-organic plant-based skincare company locally here in LA.
The first soap we're going to do is for inflammation. What's in that one?
Hot water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and Epsom salt.
2 tablespoons Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons vinegar,
5 drops of essential oil.
So we're going to add hot water to this, and this one will be ready for her soak. Now we're going to do the recipe for stinky feet. That's me. 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
2 tablespoons Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon baking soda.
Now we're going to add a few drops of lavender oil on our way to stink-free feet. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water to each bucket. This is pretty warm.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we get to hang out. And so when you're done soaking, just go ahead and
Pat your feet dry, you're all set.
We found out that we wanted to put more Epsom salts in.
Yeah, so we could do about 2 more tablespoons of Epsom salt.
So it's like up to
yeah.
a quarter cup. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye. All right, let's get started. No, I can't say let's get started.
You can't say that.